In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a logo showcase to your Wix website. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the editor loads, click Design Site. This will open the design tools and section options for your page. Next, click Add Section from the left toolbar. A panel will appear with different types of sections you can add to your website. Scroll down until you find the Clients category. This section is designed for displaying client, partner, sponsor, or company logos in a clean and organized way. Open the Clients category and browse through the available layouts. Wix offers several logo showcase designs, so choose the one that best fits the style of your website. When you find the layout you want to use, click it to add it to your page. After the section appears on your site, click one of the sample logos inside the new showcase. Then select Change Image. This will open the Media Manager, where you can upload your own logo files or choose images that are already saved in your site files. Select the correct logo and confirm the change. Continue replacing each sample logo one by one. Click on the next logo, choose Change Image again, and upload or select the correct file. Repeat this until every sample image has been replaced with your actual company, client, partner, or sponsor logos. Once all the logos are in place, take a moment to adjust the section if needed. You can resize the section or change the spacing to make the showcase look more balanced on the page. The goal is to keep the logos neat, evenly spaced, and easy to view. When you are done editing, click Preview to see how the logo showcase will look to visitors on your live website. Check that the images are clear, aligned properly, and fit well with the rest of your page design. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Your logo showcase will then be visible to anyone who visits your page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.